Hey, what's up everybody? Gabe here, and we're back in the garage for a very quick video. So last time I said I didn't really like how the Oxford heated grip controller was mounted to the bike. And today I'm going to try to do something about that. I've had time to think about it and it's still not riding season yet. So I figured I'm not doing anything better. Why not work on this and try to improve it? So this metal bracket here is the original bracket that came with the kit. And see the sticky crap on the back of this is still visible. This is the face that the controller would mount on. And then I, through these two holes on the bottom here, on this tab sticking out, I zip tied, with a single zip tie around the handlebar. But one zip tie means that it can, of course, move like this all the time. So I tried putting a sticky pad on the bottom there, but because of the rounded shape, it doesn't work. So I didn't really like this. It didn't really work out for me. So I said, okay, what could I do instead? So I Googled it, and I looked at a Thingiverse website again, and I 3D printed a couple. So I've got two different options here. It looks like three, but it's two. So I'll start with this one. This is the simpler one. The zip tie going through it to show it. Again, the unit mounts to this face. So the 4 screw holes and the sticky tape will go on there. And then this side mounts to the bars. And then you use 2 zip ties, not just one, to hold it to the bars. This is a simple solution, so we're gonna try it out. It's got to mount somewhere like here, somewhere along the bars there with 2 zip ties going through it, maybe down here. I'm not sure exactly where. Oops, dropping it is super helpful. It's hard to do this with one hand, honestly. In any case, we're going to play with this. It feels a little small. Maybe it doesn't work at that bar length, but this is one option. The other option is there's a vertical and a horizontal version of this. This uses this piece with a bolt and 2 bolts and 2 nuts. See if I can get a good angle on it to hold it up, and it goes around the bar like that. And again, on the back you have the face where the unit mounts to. There's a vertical and horizontal mount option. So I'm going to play with these, experiment with them, and see how they work out. I'm going to do it with both my hands because, as you might have noticed, dropping is quite easy. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to see if I can find something better than this. There are other 3D print models I've seen on Thingiverse. These were the most promising too, so I'm going to start with these. If I don't like any of them, I might go back and print some more stuff out, but we're going to start here and see where we get. So I'll be back. So I experimented and I'm back. And unfortunately, this design, which I thought was going to be the winner, I liked it better with this ring clamp and the bolt system to hold it in place. I think this is a clever with these even like nice nut shaped holes here to hold the nuts hidden flush against the thing. I thought it was clever and going to be the winner. Unfortunately, whoops, still dropping stuff. Be a little hard to show this, but I'll just show this on an empty spot of the bar. So there's cables under here, make it extremely challenging to wedge this under and then this on top. And it does fit the bar, but not super flush. So what I ended up going with instead was the one with the 2 little zip ties. So there's the zip ties on the back. There it is. It's very close to the bar, very low profile. It still does have some move to it, but not nearly as much as what was going on before with the initial clamp with only 1 zip tie. So this one actually, maybe there's a little zoom out on the front of the bike. You can see it's much lower profile. It doesn't interfere with anything. So I think this is okay. I think this is a big improvement. I also got rid of some of the wiring mess. Here's some of the rest of it, unfortunately, but around the front side here, I cleaned it up a little. I taped up one of the red wires so you can't really tell there's like this bright red wire hiding in there anymore. So I've improved things. I think this is better. I'm a little disappointed that the 3D printed clamp that I liked better doesn't appear to be the one that won, but that's how it goes. This one is closer to the bar, lower profile, like I said. So it's not all bad. I like how kind of stealth it makes it. Already there's a lot of crap hanging off the cockpit of this bike, a lot of cables and stuff, all this, all these like wiring from all the wiring from things like the heated grips, the USB charger, the phone itself is going to have a USB cable going to the USB charger when I'm using it. So it's a lot of crap on the front of the bike. So at least this way, it makes it a little smaller than it has to be and should have all the functionality. So that's it. Thanks for watching. A little short video. Just wanted to show that improvement. I've been kind of thinking about it during the week and like printing different, items out to see what they would look like. And then I like these two the best, so I thought I would try them. And there's the result. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, evening, whatever it is for you. Goodbye.